In today's video, we will be linking classes to subjects. This is the final task in our school setup. Let's begin. We begin on the main navigation and we go all the way down to admin area. On the admin area, we will go to year group management, then year group master. That will take us to manage year group. In previous videos, we set up our year group. We have already also set up our classes. So in this video, we will be setting up the subjects for year 1 or grade 1. So you locate the year 1, and then on the right, you go to map subgroup. On the map subgroup, you will see all the classes you previously set up. We're setting up grade 1, so we go to our first class. 101. On the right, we will click the plus sign to add the subjects. In the box titled Add Remove Subjects, we will click the down arrow on the right, and we will look for all the subjects that are linked to year 1 or grade 1. So we have Integrated Studies 1, Language 1, Math 1. You're also going to add all your enrichment or elective subjects that are available in your school that you previously added under subjects. So we're adding music, PE, library, and guidance. You will then save. It will give you a list of all the subjects you have added so you can double check to ensure you have all your subjects, and then you will then save. Once you are done, you can click on the outside and then you will set up your next class in year 1. We're now going to set up 102. So we click the plus sign to add. Now in the system, it helps you to set up all like grades. So because we're still in grade 1, we will have all our subjects listed for us. So we just go ahead and add save. Again, double check to ensure you have all your subjects. Just in case you don't have all your subjects, you can always go back to the down arrow, click it, and add any additional subjects you need to add. All right, so we're done here. We click save. All right, we have done 2 classes. Now let's quickly add the other 2. So for 103, plus button, our subjects are already there because we're still in grade 1. All we need to do is add save, double check, save again, click on the outside, and you're done. 104, the subjects are there, add save, double check, save again, click on the outside, and we are done. And just like that, we have linked our classes to our subjects. See you in the next video when we will look at preparing for self-observation.